There's one. Oh, it's not bad. Oh God, stay on. It's actually a good size. This might be a largemouth. All right, that's a nice first fish right there. All right, nice first fish there. Probably just over two pounds. Just got here on a Friday, so I'm back in the cove here near the marina. So, all right. Oh Jesus, there he goes. He's gone. Oh, there's another one. All right, it's off to a good start so far. This one's much smaller, but we'll take it. We'll take whatever comes our way. These are the ones that are dangerous. I've been hooked before, so I'm pretty timid now. Hooked bad enough where I had to get it removed at the doctor. All right, little guy. See you, buddy. Oop, there's one. I took my time. I saw him coming. Oh, stay on. Doesn't look like it's hooked super well, but oh, another. That's a nice spot right there. Good Lord. Oh man. Boy, look how long that thing is. Boy, if that thing was fat, it'd be like 4 pounds. All right. Oh, there's one. Just a little guy. It's kind of nice right now. Ah, the water's so clear you could sight fish, which is fun. Oh, there's one. Oh God, another one. Boy, that was a nice size one. I don't know if you could see it in the camera. Is that a fish? Yep, sure. Oh, I just lost it. Oh, got a little one on. That's not too bad. Boy, it's barely hooked though. Let's see if I can get him in. Oh, I was gonna net it, but oh, there it is. All right, buddy. All right, another good looking fish. All right, see ya. Oh, there's, oh, you let go. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. Oh, there's one. All right, this one's just a little guy, but oh, and he's off. Oh, there's one. All right, not very big, but that's okay. We're definitely getting a little deeper now, so a little bit harder to catch. They're definitely up shallow. All right, not big, just over a pound. All right, see ya. Oh, there's one. Oh my God, it's tiny. God, that thing was tiny. Got a little tiny one. I don't know, guys, does it count? I'm not sure what you were thinking, buddy. It wasn't going to go in. All right. See you, buddy. All right, fish on. Oh, it came off again. Good Lord. They're not very big, so it's not helping anything. Oh, I got one? Oh, I do. God, it's tiny. I think I had it for a little bit too. I thought the pull felt weird, but didn't think anything of it. I was fishing in the cove by the marina, and it just kind of went dead, so switched it up a little bit. All right, it's... Oh, wow, that one feels good. All right, fish on, and it feels like it has some size to it, so hopefully it's decent. Oh yeah, not too bad. Let's get him in the boat. Not very big, probably like 1.5 pounds or so. Oh, probably more like 2 pounds. All right, finally some size, so let's get him back in the water. Oh, fish on. God, that barely hit the water. He must have been waiting for it. God, this one might have some size to it too. Not too big. Might be foul hooked. Oh, he just came off. It wasn't huge, probably like 1.5 pounds. Oh, there it is. God, I saw a fish jump out there, so I figured I'd give it a toss. Oh, it just came off. Give me a break. Wow, there's one. God, I was just reeling it in. Not very big. Not very big, but we'll take it. All right, it's getting pretty late in the day, so I'll fish for a little bit more, but might be the last one. See you, buddy. Oh, there's one. This one doesn't feel very big. Oh, did I just lose it? Boy, I have lost a lot of fish today. Oh, there's one. Wow, this one might have some weight to it. Please stay on. Haven't had a great day of bringing these fish in. I haven't seen them yet, so. He's not big. He's fighting like he's big. All right, yeah, decent size. All right, decent sized fish there, so probably 2 pounds. All right, see you, buddy. Oh, there's one. Boy, it's getting hot right before the sun goes down. Ooh, another decent sized fish here. All right, yeah, under 2 pounds, but Good looking fish. See you, buddy.